Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Object-Oriented PHP. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, is a paradigm centered on objects. In PHP, objects are derived from classes, which act as templates for object creation. OOP enables code organization into reusable units, enhancing reusability, scalability, and maintainability. For instance, in an e-commerce platform, OOP can represent products as objects, each with properties like name, price, and quantity. By leveraging OOP, developers can efficiently manage and manipulate these product objects, streamlining the application's design and functionality. Classes serve as blueprints for creating objects by specifying attributes and behaviors. Objects, in turn, are instances of these classes, embodying distinct attribute values and functionality. This relationship enables the reusability of code and the organization of data. For instance, in the provided Python example, a car class defines attributes like make and model with a method for displaying information. An object myCar is then created based on this class using specific values for its make and model attributes. By invoking the displayInfo method of the object, the output shows the details of the car. This process demonstrates how classes abstract common characteristics to generate multiple unique objects efficiently, showcasing the fundamental concept of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation in object-oriented programming involves packaging data, properties, and methods within a class. This compiles related functionality and data in one unit, making it easier to manage. For instance, a car class could encapsulate attributes such as model, color, and methods like start engine and drive. Abstraction shields the intricate inner workings of a class from external entities. Instead, it provides a straightforward interface for interacting with objects. For example, a bank account class may hide its algorithms for interest calculation, offering users simple methods like deposit and withdraw. Object-oriented programming, by leveraging encapsulation and abstraction, enhances data protection and promotes systematic code organization. The combination facilitates secure management of data within classes while concealing implementation complexities. Inheritance facilitates code reuse by enabling a class to inherit properties and methods from another class, establishing a hierarchical relationship. For instance, a vehicle class can be inherited by subclasses like car and truck, inheriting properties like wheels and methods like drive. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as instances of a common superclass. This fosters code flexibility, as a dog and a cat, which both inherit from the animal class, can be treated interchangeably as instances of the animal superclass. This feature facilitates the extensibility of code and simplifies complex programming scenarios. In object-oriented programming, polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. This is achieved by defining a common interface, e.g. a method, in the superclass and implementing it in the subclasses as needed. In the provided Python example, 1. A superclass named animal with a method speak is defined. 2. Two subclasses, dog and cat, inherit from the animal superclass and implement the speak method accordingly. 3. An example of polymorphism is demonstrated by creating a list animals containing instances of dog and cat, then calling the speak method for each animal in the list. This allows for a flexible and modular design where new classes can be added without affecting existing code as long as they adhere to the common interface set by the superclass. This concept is fundamental in achieving code reusability and maintainability in large-scale software development. An object-oriented PHP program can be compared to a bakery where different ingredients are combined to make a variety of baked goods. Each ingredient, such as flour, sugar, and eggs, can be seen as a class, which contains properties and methods. When these ingredients are used in specific quantities and combinations, they result in different types of baked goods objects. Just like in a bakery, where recipes are followed to create delicious treats, in object-oriented PHP, classes are used to create objects that perform specific tasks or functions. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code starts by defining an ingredient class that encapsulates a single ingredient. It has a public property $name to store the name of the ingredient. The class has a constructor that initializes the name property. Next, there is a baked good class representing a baked product. It has properties name to store the name of the baked good and ingredients as an array to hold multiple ingredient objects. The constructor initializes the name property. The baked good class has methods add-ingredient to add an ingredient object to the baked good and prepare to display the list of ingredients for the recipe. The prepare method iterates over the ingredients and concatenates their names into a recipe string. Instances of ingredient for flour, sugar, and eggs are created. Following that, 2 baked good instances are created for cake and muffin. Ingredients are added using the add-ingredient method. Finally, the prepare method is called on each baked good instance to simulate the preparation and baking process. The recipe with the list of ingredients is echoed to the output. This code demonstrates the concept of encapsulation, composition, and method invocation in an object-oriented manner. It showcases how classes can be used to model real-world entities, ingredients, and baked goods, and how instances of those classes interact to achieve a specific goal, such as preparing and baking different types of products. One industrial application of object-oriented PHP can be seen in e-commerce websites. For example, consider a scenario where the website needs to handle different types of products, such as electronics, clothing, and books. Each type of product can be represented by a class, let's say electronic product, clothing product, and book product, each with their unique properties and methods. This approach allows for better organization and management of different product types within the system. Another real-world application is in content management systems, CMS. Object-oriented PHP can be used to create classes for managing different types of content, such as articles, images, videos, and pages. Each content type can have specific attributes and functionalities associated with it, and by using classes and objects, it becomes easier to maintain and scale the CMS as new content types need to be added or existing ones updated. Object-oriented PHP proves to be a powerful tool in various industrial applications by providing a structured and modular approach to software development, enabling better organization, reusability, and maintainability of codebases. Across the globe, Object-oriented PHP continues to be a cornerstone in industrial software development due to its versatility and efficiency in handling complex systems and applications. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.